Let's get to know the materials. Water drop beads in gold. Amber stone beads and glass butterfly beads. Earring stud with diamond in gold. Not to forget the gold wire. I'll be using 0.8 millimeters jewelry wire. Make sure the wire is straight to make our jewelry easier for later. We can start with making a loop at one end of the wire. Take one butterfly bead and slide it in the wire. Cut the extra but leave enough room to make a loop. Now make a loop to seal the bead on the wire. Repeat the step for the other butterfly bead. Repeat the same process for the amber stone as well. Make sure the stone is similar, or at least also identical in size. Since the last extra wire is too short, I'll get an extra wire for the second amber stone. Rearrange the beads in order to make the combining work a lot easier. Once satisfied, let's start combining them. We just need to follow the prearranged beads and combine it accordingly. Lastly, don't forget the earring stud.
Hands and heart in rhythm side by side. Every tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail. Stringing joy with colors oh so bright. Crafting wonders from the morning light.
Start doing the same for the other earring.
Is a dance so true. Bellbeat Studio, we see it through. Come along, create a wall so fine. Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine. In this space where artistry begins, Bellbeat Studio, where love wins. Lay your worries down and find your peace in the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat, soft but strong. Join our journey, come and sing this song. Threads of wonder weaving night and day. Inspiration blossoms where we play. Crafting moments in a gentle flow. Bellbeat Studio, it's the way to go. Come along, create a world so fine. Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine.